Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Nature Sense products, and I got 5 of their facial kit, and one of them is this Facial Essence glowing gold facial kit. So today I'm going to be reviewing this product, and I'm a little scared because I haven't tried them before, and it's the first time I'm trying it on like screen without any patch test. So let's hope for the best. So this product has 5 tubes in there, and the first one is D10 Therapy Wipe Off Mask. It is said to be used pre-facial as a pre-facial treatment to remove all the gunk or tan out of your skin. And let's see how it goes. And then we have like an exfoliation tube, and then a massaging cream, and then a gel, and finally the pack. So really excited to try it out. Let's see how it works. The whole kit retails for 260 rupees, and you can use up to 3 times, and like it costs near about 80 rupees per facial, which is quite affordable. And see how it works on his skin, because for me, like, money doesn't matter, but like the results matter, the ingredients matter. And one thing that I've noticed, that they have mentioned all the ingredient list at the back of the package. So I'll go through it also, like after using it I'll go through it and will tell you that if it's good or not. Instead of using gold facial kit, I've decided to try out Nature Sense brightening diamond facial kit. So let's get started without any further ado. So this particular D10 mask has a very strong fragrance, and it's somewhat like kind of very thick in consistency and feels very heavy on the skin. It's written over the tube that you have to massage it just for 2 minutes and then wipe it off. So I'll do the same and follow the same steps. Hope it suits my skin, because my skin is acne prone and really sensitive towards this for me. Okay, so I need to use it on my neck also. It's written over there. It's very thick and sticky to massage, so like now it's pulling off my skin, so I'll leave it for 2 minutes. So it's almost 2 minutes. I'm gonna wash it off. You can also clean it with wet tissue. So let's see how it goes. So we are done with the D10 therapy, and we're gonna move on to the next step. So scrub, and like you need to gently massage it over your skin for only 3 minutes. So basically these products have a strong fragrance, and those people with sensitive noses may have problems. Like I have seen that almost all the facial kits have some amount of fragrance, which can be problematic. Okay, the scrub has small particles to exfoliate the skin, and just we need to massage it for 3 minutes. Active acne on my face, so I'm gonna massage it, skipping all the active acne. I'm just scrubbing my nose to get rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads that I have. Its consistency, like it's creamy and it has some fine particles in it. It feels very comfortable on the skin while scrubbing. It's not hard. So yes, after scrubbing, my skin feels really very tight and dry. So moving on to our next step. So the next step is massage cream. Again, a very strong fragrance. It's not chemically, but it's some kind of Ayurvedic fragrance. It's fine. We need to massage it for 15 minutes. My mom says that you can massage it your face like this. Maybe it will result well. Okay. Like she's guiding me properly that how to do a facial, because earlier like moms used to do a crash course of like facial, like beauticians. So maybe she have some knowledge about it. One thing I remember, when I went to my bridal facial, doing like this, like it was so relaxing and calming. I'm wearing pro. The third step is polish brightening glow pack. So guys, we are done with all the 3 steps plus the D10 pack, and now the last 4th step is a perfect brightening diamond polishing cream. It's a leave-on product, so we just need a small quantity. Didn't like the fragrance of this product because my nose is really very sensitive to. Surprisingly, this turns into matte finish. I don't know if you people will like today's video or not, because there is so much of sound of fan and coolers, but I hope I've done justice to this video, and this was the final step, guys. And let me show you the result. I'll comb my hair and show you some beauty. Can you see the glitter particles? Using the step 3 and step 4, I realized these two products contains a lot of glitters, and there is glitter all over my face, which is not a good thing because glitter doesn't do anything. This I would count as a con. And the second thing is that the creams are very heavy, and the fragrance is really, it's very strong. Like, I can't tolerate it because I'm very sensitive to fragrances, so I didn't like the fragrance. I don't like that glittery thing. And overall, I can see like transition, like it gives a glow, it gives an instant glow, but we don't know how long it lasts. But definitely you tell me that how you feel about this product. I have like shown all the steps and everything to you, and this was the first time that I've done a facial, like first time on the screen. So I really don't know like if it will suit me or not. Like after 20 get to know that how it reacts on my skin. One thing that I've noticed, that they have given this D10 therapy pack. See, if somebody has tanning, so it takes like multiple sittings. If you people know, like according to me, according to my research, it says you need multiple sittings for that. So instead of like mentioning it D10 therapy, they must have highlighted it as like pre-facial prep only. Know why they named it as D10 therapy. Definitely the product is cost effective, but is it worth your money? So you decide and tell me in the comment box. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, find it useful, then please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.